Here we go. We have a question, reverse a linked list. So you have given the head of a linked list. Our task is to reverse this list and return the reversed head. So this question is a easy level question. We have given this linked list represented by this image, and we have to reverse the linked list and return the return the new head. So we have this new head 4. So 4 is the new head, and we have this new linked list. So it's an easy level question. So I will solve it in the iterative manner. Now let's build the approach. So I have this linked list. So for this we need 2 pointers. First pointer is the previous pointer, and next pointer name is current. So current will point to root, previous will point to null initially. So what we need to do, this one next will point to null, because in our reverse linked list we have answer like this: 4, then next is 3, then next is 2, then next is 1, then 1 next is null. So current next will be its previous value. So like same, 2's next will be 1, 3's next will be its previous value. So 1 next will be its previous value. So if we initialize this, we lost its next pointer, but we want to go to the next pointer to reverse the next nodes also. So what I will do is, I will create one temporary pointer, name temp, or you can name it save. Then using this save pointer, we can easily save our next node and simply iterate, simply instantiate its previous, its next pointer. So now its next is will point to null. Then previous will point here, means previous will point to current, and current will point to temp. Then we have the remaining linked list. So we have again a linked list. So what I will do is, current next will point to this value, but we lost this node, so we want to save this node also. So first save this node using a temporary pointer node. Then we can easily instantiate the next pointer. So its next will point to this, then previous will point here, and current will point here. Then it's time to like set up the remaining linked list. So current next will point to previous, current next will point to previous, but using this we have lost this, so we also need to save it. First save. So what are the steps? First save, then initialize the next pointer, then change your previous pointer, then change your current pointer. So we have initialized, we have also changed the previous pointer, change the next pointer, and now just to change this pointer, so it will reflect like this, and also change the current. So here, then we need to also instantiate the remaining linked list next pointers. So first save. So temporary will save this node, then initialize the next pointer. Okay, update previous, update current. If your current reaches null, it means we have reversed our linked list. So now just return previous node, just return previous node. It's that simple. So so let's code this. So we have this, so we have this code. First we have previous, then we have current. While current is not equal to null, first save the next node, then change the next pointer, update your previous and update your next, then just return the previous node. So previous node will point to the head of the new linked list. Let's submit this. Now let's talk about time and space complexity. In this, the space complexity is constant. We have only previous and current, and the time complexity is order of n. So I hope it will work, and we have solved this in the expected time and space complexity. If you have learned something new, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and thank you all for watching this video.